Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which condition is characterized by the softening of bones due to a deficiency of vitamin D in adults? A. Osteoporosis. B. Rickets. C. Osteomalacia. And C. Scurvy. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which part of the vertebral column consists of five fused vertebrae? A. Cervical, C. Thoracic, C. Lumbar, and D. Sacral. So the correct option is D. Sacral. The next MCQ is which type of joint is found between the vertebrae of the spine? A. Synovial joint, B. Cartilaginous joint, C. Fibrous joint, and D. Ball and socket joint. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle group is responsible for the extension of the leg at the hip joint? A. Quadriceps, B. Hamstring, C. Gluteals, and D. Pelvis. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which protein forms the thin filament in a muscle fiber? A. Myosin, B. Actin, C. Troponin, and D. Tropomyosin. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of muscle contraction involves shortening of the muscle? A. Isometric contraction, B. Isotonic contraction, C. Eccentric contraction, and D. Concentric contraction. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which part of the skeleton includes the skull vertebrae, column, and rib cage? A. Appendicular skeleton, B. Axial skeleton, C. Pectoral girdle, and D. Pelvic girdle. The correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone forms the back and base of the skull? A. Frontal bone, B. Parietal bone, C. Occipital bone, and D. Temporal bone. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the abduction of the arm at the shoulder? A. Bicep brachii, C. Deltoid, C. Tricep brachii, and D. Pectoralis major. So the correct option is B. Is which muscle is responsible for the abduction of the arm at the shoulder? A. Bicep brachii, C. Deltoids, C. Tricep brachii, and D. Pectoralis major. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which structure is found between the bones of the spine and acts as a shock absorber? A. Ligaments, B. Tendons, C. Vertebral disc, and D. Um, meniscus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone is a part of the lower arm and located on the thumb side? A. Humerus, B. Radius, C. Ulna, and D. Scapula. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle group is involved in the extension of the leg at the knee joint? A. Hamstring, B. Quadriceps, C. Gluteals, and D. Pelvis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which structure and the bone is responsible for the production of red blood cells? A. Yellow bone marrow, B. Red bone marrow, C. Periosteum, and D. Endosteum. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of joint allows movement on only one plane, such as the elbow? A. Hinge joints, B. Ball and socket joints, C. Pivot joints, and D. Saddle joints. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.